Hello, welcome to this t-shirt design video. My name is David Isamoje. If you are just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe because I do give out shout out time to time to my subscribers, like I'm gonna do in this video right about now. So I want to give shout out to the following subscribers. If you see your name on the screen, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are supporting the channel by subscribing and watching my videos, sharing them. I really appreciate you guys for that. Thank you so much and God bless you. For today, we are going to be doing a Canva t-shirt design. So without wasting much of the time, I'm going to go straight right into it. But first thing first, we got to find an image for our shirt. So this one is going to be inspired by a movie I watched of recent. I saw the t-shirt and I liked it and I said, okay, I'm going to make one. So it's about Istanbul. So it's about Istanbul. So I saw it, I liked it, and I said, okay, let me make a t-shirt design about this. So it's going to be a fun-filled t-shirt. So right off the bag, I see this image. So it looks good. Let me see if I can find another. Okay. I think I like this. This looks good too, so I can use this. Yes, this is a perfect image, so I'm going to download it. I'm going to download it and use it in my design. So it's going to be Istanbul. So I'm going to download it. As you can see, so I'm downloading it now for you guys. So it has been downloaded. Now the next step is for me to open canva.com. Now that we have this out of the way, just copy this because we'll be using it in our design. So now we'll just open canva.com. For those who don't have Canva Pro, I would advise you to get Canva Pro. If you check the link in the description, you get a 30 days free on me. Just follow the link and you get 30 days free. You can use that for 30 days to create as much design as possible. It's super cheap. Canva Pro is super cheap and I advise you to get it. Why do I advise you to get it? Because the free version, your design is going to come with the white background and you don't want that in your design because you want to be able to sell different colors of shirt. Having a white background means you're going to sell only a white t-shirt, and which you don't want to do because black sells the most of the time. So you always want to try Canva Pro. So check in the link, you check the description and the pinned comments, you'll find a link to Canva Pro. Make sure you go get it for yourself. It's super cheap and you get the free 30 days on me, so you can use that. So now let's go to create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Please don't click off. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. It's going to be an interesting watch. So it's going to be pixel, not inches, not millimeters, not centimeter. Pixel. Just create new and it's going to open on a new tab, as you can see. So now that it has opened on a new tab, what you want to do next is simple. Upload the image which you just downloaded. So I'll go to upload an image or video, download. So this one is C3. Yes, this is it. So I'm going to click open. As you can see, it's going to load up. So once it load up, you're going to bring it into Canva. You click on it. As you can see, it has appeared inside of Canva. As you can see, so you just increase it a bit. So to do that, you click on your image and move over to this edge, any of the 4 edges. Move over and just press on your left mouse click button and drag your mouse outward to increase. It's as simple as that. It's not complicated. It's as simple as that. So now you just try to position it in the middle. It's going to give you that. You know. So now you have it in the middle. It's perfectly okay. So the next step is for us to bring in our text. So you go to text and we'll just find a fanciful text. Which we can use. There are a lot of text you can choose from here. Just make sure it's something people will be able to read to an extent. Yes, you want them to get attracted to your shirt, but also you want them to be able to read your designs. So now I'm just going to find a fanciful font for myself. It's up to you, whatever you want to use, but you have a lot of fonts to choose from off the back. So, and when you're on Canva Pro, you get more fonts. So I'll advise you to get Canva Pro. Like I said, the link will be in the description. You see it, Canva Pro 30 days free. So I like this one. As you can see, if I click on it, as you can see, it has appeared here. So if I click on that, first I want to change the color. Because then I'll increase it. You know, the way I told you how to increase it, you over your mouse to this edge and just drag that out. So now that color seems to be too, so I'll just find a sharp color, let's say red. Okay, yeah, so red will do. Now you can see there are some other fonts I don't want, so what I'm going to do is to ungroup them and delete that. But before then, I'll just, you know, paste my text which says Istanbul. So I'm just going to delete this. So it says Istanbul. Now I'm going to ungroup this layer so that I can get rid of this one at the top and the one beneath. I don't need them. All I need is my Istanbul. So I'm going to make Istanbul bigger. I'm just going to move it just like this. Perfect. So now that we have that, we're good to go. So you can see now, if when I save this, it's going to save with the white background, meaning now I can only insert this for the white shirt. So if I click on download, as you can see, to get the transparent background, you need to be on the Pro version. So why not use the link in the description or the pinned comment? Anywhere you see it, it's going to be Canva Pro 30 days. So just make sure you use that link. Get Canva Pro free on me for 30 days. So once you use that link, you'll be able to click on this transparent background and you won't have this white background. But for now, we'll just save it as it is. Just going to save it as it is, and it's going to appear with the white background. And I'll then transfer it onto a white 3D mockup, and I will show you why you can't use it on other colors. Because if you use it on other colors, you might have to use it with the white background, and it might not look professional. So far so good. We've just used about 8 minutes for this design. You can see designs are not super complicated. You just have to be creative enough. Now the making money part of this t-shirt design is simple. Once you've created your design, you have it without the white background. As you can see, this is it. This is the one we just created. So once you have it without the white background, you can decide to use it like this. It's up to you, but you can decide to remove the white background by getting Canva Pro. Then you can now upload your shirt to Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring. This is passive income. The hardest work you are doing about this is making your designs, and you can just dedicate a week, make 50 designs a day, select popular countries, popular hobbies, you know, something, let it be a popular thing. It can even be a trend. It can be a trend on Twitter. It can be anything. Just create 50 designs a day. Do that for that 1 month and upload them on Teespring, TeePublic, Redbubble, Match by Amazon, and you are good to go. You just make passive income doing that. In this time where everyone needs money, you just make money doing that. And as you can see, it took us about 10 minutes to get this all done and set. and we're good to go. So I would like to put it on a shirt so that you can see that quickly. So let me do that. I'll just go to pictures, mockup, got my anger mockup. So this mockup, so we'll just quickly put it on a shirt so that I don't waste much of your time. We'll quickly put this on a shirt. If you are still watching me to this time, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the real deal. You guys are the ones who really want to learn, who really want to make passive income. I really appreciate you guys for watching this long. You guys are amazing. Some people already dropped out in the first minutes, but you are here and you want to watch it. I really appreciate you guys. So now I'll just go to where it says your design goes here. I'll delete this and I'll go to my folder, download. I think I saved at Istanbul. Yes, so I'll just find Istanbul. Okay, that is it. So I'll just drag it into the space. I'll drag it into this space. That's what you want to do. So wait for it to load. As you can see, then I have to reduce it. So I'll over my mouse to this edge, press down 3 button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse click button, and just reduce this. So if I press OK and go to File and save this and go back to my shirt, so you see what I'm talking about. It's going to appear with the white background, which you don't want. So do Ctrl T. You can't really help this, but if you are fine with it, then just reduce this by pressing your Alt key button, Shift key button, your left mouse click button, and you can just do that. So if you are okay with your design like this, fine. But now just watch when I turn this to a white shirt, what happens. So you can see it has made a serious difference. Just watch this. So you see a serious difference from the previous shirt. So that's why you see you don't want your designs with the background. So remember, check the description. You see Canva Pro 30 days. So you just get that. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist so that you don't miss a thing or two, so that you learn more. And I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed.